this video, we will show how to connect the salt sensor from the brine tank to the control valve. Inside the brine tank, you'll notice that the brine line polytubing along with the wire connections are attached. Feed them both through the hole on the side of the brine tank. Then place the tube stiffener inside the end of the polytubing as shown, along with the compression nut. Then thread the compression nut to the brine line flow control elbow on the control valve. Then connect the wire connection to the control valve connector. It can only attach one way, as shown here.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.